sitting or lying down in the most comfortable position possible. Gently close your mouth and touch the tongue to the roof of your mouth. Now become aware of your breathing through your nostrils. Feel the air coming in through your nostrils into your nasal cavity, all the way down into your lungs. Long, slow, constant deep breath. And then slowly release that breath through your nose, allowing it to come out long, slow and constant. And do the same again. Feel the breath coming in nice and slowly in through the nostrils. Really sensing the air coming through your nostrils and your nasal cavity into your lungs. And really feel the air coming back out gently in a constant manner. Now become aware of your facial muscles all around your eyebrows and your forehead. Just imagine releasing all the tension, stress and anxiety that's been building up around your forehead and eyebrows. Imagine gently releasing like a tightly clenched fist. Just allow the tension to release, like letting go. Just let it all go, all around your forehead and your eyes. Just let it all go. As your forehead and eyes begin to soften, and all around your eyes, lower part of your eyes, all beginning to soften and release. Around your nose, everything starts to let go. Around your mouth and your chin, underneath your ears. We hold a lot of tension underneath our ears. Just allow it to release and let go all around your facial muscles. Then become aware of your breath again, slowly breathing in through your nostrils. Feel that air coming into the lungs, gently expanding the lower abdomen. Your breath is naturally becoming deeper now, more constant and repetitive, slowing everything down, focusing on the breath coming in and slowly out. Now bring your awareness to your neck and your shoulders. Start to relax and release the shoulders. All the tension, all the stress, all the anxiety that we hold in our neck and shoulders, just let it go now, like a tightly clenched fist. Letting go. You can feel the tension just releasing, disappearing into the atmosphere around you. You start to relax and release, go deeper and deeper into your breathing. Bring your awareness back to your in-breath as the breath comes through your nasal cavity all the way deep down into your lungs. Nothing else matters at this point. As you breathe in and you breathe out, that's all your mind is focusing on for this moment here. Just breathing in gently and breathing out gently. Now focus again on your arms. Relaxing and releasing all the tension coming down your arms to your wrists and your hands. Just let all the tension go. Just let it all go, like that tightly clenched fist again. Releasing. Feel all the tension starting to flood out of your body. Allowing everything to start to soften and relax and release. Just let it go. Let it all go. Dissolving into the space around you. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Start to breathe in deeply through your nose. Keep going. Keep focusing on the breath coming deep down into your lower abdomen. Gently, naturally, easily. Nothing is forced, nothing is stressed. And the same for breathing out, nice and gentle, easy breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Take a nice, long, slow, deep breath in. And then breathing out through your teeth. Slowly open your eyes and come back to your normal level of consciousness very slowly. Take your time, there's no rush. And come back to your breathing exercise again tomorrow.